how to fix common error in Facebook. So to fix common errors, you can troubleshoot general technical issues by refreshing the page or restarting your device. If you face such issues, then what you could do is simply close the background running application completely. Then long press the Facebook app, go to the app info section, and here you want to click on storage and cache. Make sure to click on clear cache, and then you could go ahead and update the app to the latest version as well. So head over to your respective app store. You could use any this depends on the device that you have. So go to your respective app store, type in Facebook, and then update the app to the latest version. Now likewise, other than that, what you could also do is you would also try using a different device, or maybe try restarting device first of all by holding on to your side buttons. That can be able to fix common errors in Facebook. And other than that, if you are using any sort of VPN or any sort of extension, that might also cause an error. So you could go ahead and uninstall them as well. And lastly, if nothing works out, then the option is to uninstall the app, restart your device at the same time, or else you could contact support team as well. So these are some of the ways you could fix common error in Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.